So viewers, today I have come just to Kalyani Motors and just see in the front that this vehicle, you will come to know after last, this is a trending vehicle in the market and just see the delivery which I am taking right now for my son. And about the vehicle, I will just introduce Mr. Ravi Kiran. So just he will get you familiarized about this vehicle, what this trend. Just wait for a minute and go through the video. You will come to know about the craze of this vehicle. Just see the craze of the vehicle.
अरविंद बारह से
Okay, here just now Mr. Ravi Kiran will explain about this vehicle. So we will be along with the channel and see, this is now finally the trending vehicle in the market. This advanced model of Brezza ZXi is there in the market. He will show all the features of this vehicle. Okay. Now I hand over the demonstration to Mr. Ravi. Please.
Sir, this is the keyless entry. This is a keyless entry. You know, without key, you have to press this one. Lock, unlock, sir. Double tick is a 4 doors is unlock, sir. You know, single tick only driver side, sir. For safety feature. Okay. Please lock. Please, sir, come. Please, sir. Before starting, you have to wear the seatbelt. Welcome, sir.
बैक साइड आ जाओ
Sir, before starting, you have to wear the seat belts. Front and rear is must, sir, for safety feature, sir. You know, and you have to take the seat height adjustment, sir. Is there in right side, reverse side. Okay, now come front and back is there. You have to pull or push, sir. And sir, this is actually Brezza ZXi automatic 6 gear, 680, sir. Means 6 gear will be there. Okay, you have to just press the brake button, sir.
Okay.
That is okay. Next. No, sir, you have to use for only right leg, sir. Don't use for left leg. Okay, na? Just for only one leg. The left leg has to free. Okay, press the brake and push start button, sir. Okay, na? Vehicle start, sir. Sir, before starting, you have to see the gearbox, sir. Sir, parking, reverse, neutral, drive mode, manual mode. Sir, parking means the vehicle has to start with parking mode only. Then, if you are moving time, if you moving time, you have to press the lever. Is there? You have to press the reverse. Reverse means it will come reverse, sir.
reverse gear is also like
Reverse camera is there. Then neutral, sir. Drive mode, sir. Manual mode, sir. Now is it on in parking, sir? If you changing the gear, you have to press the brake, sir. That is a safety features. Because without brake pressing, it will be not take, sir.
Okay.
Okay, it will not move also. Okay. Then now you are in drive mode. Okay, now drive mode, you press that drive, you have to move. Okay. Then you come to manual mode. The pedal shift will be there. Manual mode, it will be working highway and overtaking the other vehicle. See, if you the automatically drive mode automatically it will take gear, sir. automatically it will be decrease. Automatic it will be increase. Automatically it will be decrease. So the pedal shift is will be there now. Will take more pickup and more overtaking the vehicle. Okay. Now is in parking, sir. Okay. So close the door, sir. Sir, actually in the right side, sir, you can see that joystick is there, right? Sir, this is the outside ORVM, sir. Outside view mirror, sir. This one you can adjust the right side, then left side, sir.
Okay.
Whatever you comfortable driving. And this button will be there, sir. This is the auto foldable, normally foldable, sir. This is center lock, sir. 4 door will be center lock, lock, unlock, sir. This is the auto down and auto down.
For all the 4 windows?
No, only one window, sir.
Okay.
Driver side. The 3 will be there. Normally back side. You can operate with there also. Otherwise, if you back side children will be there. They can use means you can lock it here, sir.
Oh,
See, now I can use. Only you can use, sir. Okay. And sir, next sir, this is the steering. Okay. Sir, this is the steering audio control, sir. Once you connect the Bluetooth, if you open your phone, I will connect the Bluetooth, sir. Okay. If you open the Bluetooth, you will get the radio, FM, and Bluetooth, and call coming, call disconnecting. Everything you can use it in steering also and system also. Mostly you don't touch for here anything, sir. You can use for steering only. Sir, if you open the Bluetooth now, this is the call connect, sir. Call disconnect, voice command. Suppose if you want to call dad, call to dad, automatically it will take. Don't use for driving time. Don't use for phone, sir. For safety features, don't use for phone. Everything will be there in steering only, sir. Okay, now call for dad, call for mom, call for friend. Okay. If you want to music changes, see. You want here, sir. Next music or other next music. Okay, now the button, center button. The center button is move to Bluetooth, DRM, ARM. Okay, sir. The increasing volume, sir, and decreasing volume, sir. If you don't want to mute means this is the mute button, sir. Okay. Sir, and this is the cruise control, sir. The cruise control is working only in highway, sir. Is minimum in third gear, sir. Minimum 60 speed, sir. You have to set with cruise button. If you move on same speed only, sir. If you want to increasement, you can increase in steering. Okay, sir. This will be.
You have to set a while, so you don't have to increase.
You don't want to increase. You don't want to press the accelerator also.
Got it.
Okay, na? If you leave the accelerator, automatically it will be more. Once you press the brake, it will be decrease. Again, connect the cruise control, sir. And this is the left indicator, sir. This is the right indicator, sir. And this is the LED projector headlamp. Okay, high beam, low beam. High beam, low beam. This is the diamond up. Okay, wiper, sir. The rear wiper is there here, and front wiper, this one, sir. This is the adjustment, sir. Speed. Okay, sir. And this is the auto AC. You just press the auto. Outside temperature, inside cool will get, sir. Automatically it will get cool. If you know I am not required that one means manual also is there. You can use it in manual. This is the hot and cold, sir. Hot means if you rainy season, that time you can adjust the AC control, sir. This is the fog defog, sir. Front to defog, sir. Rainy season, you not visible to see the front vehicles now. You have to put front fog, sir, and rear fog, sir. Okay, sir. This auto, sir. Other than, so here we have first aid kit, sir, and infotainment system manual book, sir. Okay, sir. This is the infotainment system, sir. You have to connect with Bluetooth now. Android Apple CarPlay you will get, sir. Android Apple CarPlay means whatever is phone, that everything you will get in here, sir. WhatsApp also you will get, music, message, but
Map
you
also.
can map also. You can read, sir, but it will be read,
notification.
Sir. Only notification. Other than, sir,
This.
This is a sunroof, sir.
Uh,
Okay, electrical sunroof. You have to press.
okay.
Will be open. Then it is fully open, sir. If you want to close, means button automatically close, sir.
This is not automatic, right?
No, sir. This is a manual
Manual.
closing, sir.
And we have specs, right? For
Yes,
specs.
sir. These are specs, sir. These also will get.
Right. Got it.
Sir, this is the inside IRVM, sir. IRVM inside view mirror, sir. You know, you can see the here also for backside vehicle coming, and you press the brake, sir. Sir, reverse parking sensor will be there and parking camera. If you're driving time, you have to see left mirror, right mirror, and camera also, sir. Because left mirror you use for left side any vehicle is there, and right side mirror any vehicle is there right side. Back means camera means any vehicle is there in back side. Don't use for camera, use for left mirror, right mirror, and camera. 3 also you can use.
Okay.
Sir,
We have Twitters, right?
we have
Twitters will
two Twitters and 4
speak.
speakers, sir.
Okay. And we have 2 armrests.
Sir, rear armrest will be there. That will be I will explain in back, sir. Okay, now.
I can leave, right?
Yes, sir. Rear rest adjustable, sir. And armrest will be there with 2 cup holders, sir. And rear AC will be there and rear mobile order charger, sir.
Okay, so you can put what are
You
the
can
pin?
put here mobile order charging, sir.
Okay.
You can use for backside people also the charging.
Okay.
Backside people for aram se sit and
Okay.
can drink cool drinks and water, anything, sir.
Okay.
And this is the adjustable. Whatever you comfortable, you can adjust here, sir.
How it can just
Sir, here lever is there, sir, button. Okay. This one, press this button.
okay.
You can adjust, sir.
So nice. So it is comfortable as
It's
and
comfortable for
required comfort.
rare customer, rare passenger.
Okay. Okay. So nice.
And rear also we have seat belts, sir. The seat belts is compulsory, sir.
Compulsory.
Okay, now all vehicles seat belts is rear seat belt also compulsory.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you not put the seat belt, you will get alarm.
Okay. Okay.
It beep
That
will
alarm beep will come at the front.
Front, sir.
Okay. Right.
For safety feature, you have to put the rear seat belt also, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Now standard vehicle will be there rear seat belt reminders.
Okay. Okay. That's
Okay.
okay.
We'll go to back, sir.
Okay, sir, one more doubt. This is what space is being provided. I think this is used for
Only for
this hand rest. You can take it here.
yeah, handrest,
Yeah.
and you can open the door, close the door.
Okay. Okay. Now we should move on.
This seat is 60-40 split, sir.
Okay.
60-40 minutes. If you have some items, sir, like luggage, sir, you
Okay.
can close it here.
Yeah.
You can take it here.
Okay.
This will be fully open, sir.
Okay.
This is also you can
So-
take it, sir.
So you can have a larger space,
Yes,
right?
sir, larger space.
Okay.
Some people, one people can sit here.
And
Some product or something you can keep here, sir.
Yeah.
You know,
It's very
this
nice.
for 60-40 split for Brezza, sir.
Okay. Okay. And here also, I think this space is being provided. Just
Yes,
please
sir.
kindly highlight.
Sir, right side, 2 cup holders will be there, left side and right side, sir.
Okay. Adjust.
Sir, if you come right side, sir, good space, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is the largest boot space, sir, in Brezza.
Okay.
Sir, this is the basic accessories we are providing.
Okay.
Mat and mud cloth
Okay.
and body cover, sir,
Okay.
and aux cable, sir,
Okay.
and vacuum cleaner, sir,
Mm-hmm.
perfume, sir,
Mm-hmm.
and charger adapter, sir,
Mm-hmm.
and Ganesha idol.
Okay.
Air illuminator, sir. The air illuminator will use for only in outside. If you're going with outside, sometimes night time the shop will be not open. Vehicle tire was punctured. You can only do that. Puncture kit is there. You can and fill the air, sir. This is the air illuminator.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. This is the car care kit, sir. In that car care kit, it will be there shampoo, cloth, interior cleaner, and polish, sir.
Okay. So I mean to say, in these accessories, these are the safety kit,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
In the case of tire, this thing that you can just repair or something like you can do.
Yes, sir.
And then
For emergency, sir.
emergency.
Emergency kit, sir.
Okay.
And
Then.
is there here spare wheel, sir?
Okay.
16-inch rim tire, sir.
Okay.
You know that toolkit will be there.
Okay.
Jack will be there down, sir. You have to
Okay.
open this one.
And
Jack is there down.
Okay. Done.
Okay.
Done. So huge space in this Brezza it is
Yes,
coming.
sir. Yes, sir.
And this, I think you can carry there something.
You can carry something here, foods or anything, and night also is there
Okay.
for night time. You
Okay.
can hanging also is there.
Okay.
This is actually ma'am vacuum cleaner. Okay. For the cleaning the boot space and rear and front.
Yeah. So very nice view.
Yes, sir. And you will go for the front, sir. One minute. Sir, this is there now. This is the bonnet open, sir. Front bonnet.
Okay.
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 This is the fuel.
Okay.
Fuel open, sir.
Okay.
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 Come, sir. We will show you.
Okay. Now this is when it open. You are just
Yes, sir.
okay.
Just now I shown the bonnet, sir. You have to lock here, sir. Sir, actually, this is the 1.5 liter VVT engine, sir. Okay, na? Sir, this is the engine, sir. Sir, for servicing time, the service will be taken from our service people, sir. Don't take anything, sir. Just you have to change the water, sir.
Okay.
For wiper water. Sir, this water you don't put any shampoo and all, sir. Normal drinking water you can put here, sir. Okay?
इसका ड्यूरेशन क्या कब
Sir, if you water will not come in, so it will be खाली होंगे.
ओके
Okay?
4 cylinder, right?
4 cylinders.
ओके
Sir, battery, fuse box, sir.
Okay.
And everything will be there.
And where is the chassis number just for my viewers information?
Here, sir.
Just so this is chassis number.
Chassis number, sir.
Okay.
Can I close it, sir?
Okay. And just show me the function of sun. Just okay. Finally, this is Brezza, a trendy vehicle in this just Mr. Ravi Karan. At last I have made very much, his explanation is very nice. So we will just see, finally I requested him to just show me that this and then let's see I can also, now I am also leader when they take the magnificent crowd, they can address them. Okay. Thank you at last, Mr. Ravi Karan, for your explanation and about this vehicle. So not only I will be familiar with this about the vehicle, the viewers also will be very much familiar on what you are doing.
How are you feeling, मम्मी?
बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है बेटी की गाड़ी आई है
How are you feeling?
चलिए ना इसको छोड़ने का इंतजार.
How are you feeling, Papa?
हाँ?
How are you feeling, Prasoon?
Opposite
How are you
petrol
feeling?
tank is there. Give me the 5 liter book one, they will